Here is the Honda CR-V. To change the cabin air filter, let's go ahead and open up the passenger side door. Now let's open up the glove box. Now whatever stuff you have in the glove box, you have to get it out of the way. Now on the side there is a dampener arm. You see where I'm putting my thumb? Put your thumb over there and then push it down to unclip it. Good. Now slide it out of there and then push it in all the way to get it out of the way. Now there are two stoppers, one on each side, which are holding this glove box in place. You see right there? We need to get it out of the way. So press and it's out. Same thing on the other side. Like press from the outside towards the inside. That will help us get the stopper out. There you go. One here and one over here. Now that is the cabin air filter cover. Press the clip from here. Press the second clip from the other side and the cover comes out. That's the cabin air filter. Just grab onto it and pull it out straight. You may feel some resistance, but that's totally normal. Be patient, it's going to take a couple seconds, but it'll come right out. There you go, that's the filter right there. Now the top side is the dirty side. So outside air comes from the top, all the dirt gets trapped over there. So when you pull the filter out, all the trapped dirt just slides out with the filter. The bottom side is clean. That's where the clean filtered air goes in the car from. Check the link in the description to buy a new one for yourself from Amazon. Now it may look like you can orient it anyway when you're installing it, but you cannot. It only goes on in one way, the way I'm showing. If you orient it in a different way, it's going to stick out, and that's not going to work. So put it in the way I'm showing and push it in all the way and slide it. Good. Now let's get the cover. That up arrow indicates the correct position of the cover, not the airflow. Airflow is from top to bottom. Clip it on. Now push this glove box in with some force so it just goes right in. Good. Now let's pull this dampener arm out all the way. Slide it out as much as possible. Once the bottom's out, then from the bottom, get your finger and then push it upwards. That's gonna clip it. Let's try this out. This is working good, and that's about it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.